Alright, tonight I'm going to show you guys how to change the flasher on 01 4Runner. So I like the factory taillights on this, so I want to go over to LED. And one way to do that is buy bulbs with fancy resistors and such. Otherwise you'll get hyper flash. So tonight we're getting that done. I've done it on my 99 Tacoma. And on that, it's really not a big matter to get it done. So on this, there's a little bit more to it. So I took the kick panel down, I took the HVAC pipe down, and then also I took this box or fuse junction box down. So this is going to be the factory flasher. It's a pretty intimidating looking thing with a wall around it. So the new one you get won't have that, and it'll look like this. And it can be put in multiple different ways. So what you need is a CF14 LED flasher. So make sure, take careful note of the pins the way they are now. I was very frustrated because I put everything together and it didn't work. And that's because the pins need to be this way. The point of the triangle needs to be up. And then this guy goes up into here. And one good way to do it is get a claw tool. Like this one I've got. You can grab your bolt by the head, something like so. Then we can go straight up in there and get that top one started. So first, let's go on the tripod. Get you guys situated up here. Try and put the steering wheel up. There we go. May lean this a little further forward. I want it to fall over anything. First we'll do the bottom bolt. Okay, got that guy started. Okay, that was easy. Top one started. Make sure I got the right direction. Rotation here. I'm gonna get rid of this floppy. There we go. A little bit of light now. Get rid of this one and get the long one. Actually, I have the long. Just go with a straight one. All right, not bad. Let's get the HVAC pipe in, duct.
You know how it says under 16 on a four-wheeler?
Yeah.
No, if you ride under 16, well, guess what? I'm not under 16 anymore.
You're not 16.
I am 16, but I'm not under it. If I wasn't 16, I wouldn't have my permit. I would have to backtrack.
Those are all hooked. Got this one screw. This guy goes here. Put that in there. Easy as. Kick panel up here. Quite an easy job. Thanks to Japanese fit and finish. Alright. Well, I think the Toyota curse has struck again. Seems like one bolt disappears for every operation of assembly. Where do they all go? I don't know. Alright. We're gonna have to come back later and get some more bolts. I do not know where they could possibly have gone, but they always do. So there's that one. This is the speed they flash at. It's really slow. It feels kind of odd. So that tail light bulb there is already LED. And then this guy, those are LED already. The reverse light is now LED as well. So what we can do is we'll hop in here really quick like. Here's a factory stocker. Here's the ones I paid a lot for. I don't know if they're necessarily better. All right. There it is, clicked in place. All right, let's flick the other turn signal the other direction. There it is. Nice and bright.
When you go bowling, always lean in.
So that's it. That's the install for no one 4Runner. Just a little bit more of a pain, but not having to fight with fit and finish like the American built trucks is definitely worth the extra, not really extra effort. So hope you've enjoyed this. I've also done LED interior. Just bought a kit. I just bought a pack of, I think I just searched it in eBay and just bought a pack of random bulbs. And that's actually not a bad way to go. If you're like me, you'll own other cars and you'll be able to use those light bulbs at some point in the future. So this is one we need to get to. I don't remember the size, but I think we'll dig in there and take a stab at that. And the other one would be the front turn signal bulb. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.